Hi, I'm Emily Speck. I'm a registered environmental health specialist at the Portage County Health District. I'm here to talk to you today about aeration units. So it's kind of like a last resort system. If we don't have good soils on the property for a soil-based system, or if the lot's too small, we have to resort to an off-lot aeration unit. Because aeration units discharge the water through the state and they have mechanical components to keep it functioning, the aeration unit must have a valid service contract with a registered service provider that is registered with Portage County. So an aeration uses aerobic bacteria to break down the solids a lot better. So this right here is an aeration tank. And if you can see inside, there's bubbling going on. That keeps pumping oxygen in the tank to keep the bacteria alive, break it down. So as you can see, it's a brown color. To know that an aeration tank is functioning well, it's a chocolatey brown color. So as you can see, the sewage effluent is a chocolate brown color. So that's a good indication that it's healthy. If it's black or gray, you have a problem. Also, aeration units, they have an earthy smell to it. If you smell any kind of septic, there's an issue going on. Okay, so now we're at the pump tank. So after it goes through the aeration tank, it goes through a pump tank. So basically what happens is the effluent is stored into this tank. There is a float that once the effluent reaches a certain level in the tank, it will kick on. So as we're looking in here, by this time you want the effluent to be a pretty clear color. You don't want too much brown, gray, or anything in there. So what we're seeing, that's a good color. That's a good sign. So as I said, once it reaches a certain level, called demand dose, it will kick off into a discharge point is what we call it, because aeration units, they do not use soil for final treatment. So after the sewage effluent goes through the pump tank, it goes through the chlorinator, dechlorinator, to the sample box, and it ends out here in this final discharge point, a stormwater outfall, which goes right back into Portage County waterways. So that's why at Portage County Health District, it's important to keep our waterways clean.